scan their passport.
Good.
Their data and travel details will appear on your monitor. This is very
How they
important.
have that? Where
Your
did you
job
get
is
that?
to ask a few questions to make sure their answers match their data.
There's nothing.
If everything checks out, except the traveler's passport, let them through.
Oh, we gotta shoot them if they're not
They
human.
won't feel right, or their story will not
I'ma
line up.
just clean. Map.
In that case, do not hesitate to reach for the gun below your counter. Be careful. Some will not be who they say they are. If you let one of those through, the company insurance will not cover what happens next.
Yup.
Good luck, and thank you for keeping our country safe.
Stop shooting. I said stop, bro. I said stop. Clean the
How did you
puddles.
fall down?
Ew.
That is a black muscle. Become the black.
Oh, he's the ew. Ayun. Follow me, bro. He's no after. Stop shooting me. Let me borrow that gun.
I'm sorry.
Stop.
You want a gun?
Do your job. Do your job.
You're so slow.
Shut up. Wait for the first traveler. Shoot them if they're not human. Not me. That's human.
He's the gun. He's the gun.
He's Gojo.
Take the gun.
What's your job? Reason? Duration.
Tignan mo, made yung job niya.
Hmm?
Galing siya sa Japan. Tapos duration niya, indefinite. Reason niya, service.
Made siya, made.
Wait, so, tanongin mo ang job niya.
Not working.
This is my need. Hindi, wag. Yan na yung job ko.
Are you saying the truth? Yes.
So, green, allow, or deny? Baril mo na sa baril.
I like killing so much. You deserve that.
Yo, Forge. Yan, nagawa na natin tutorial.
Tutorial yun.
Please.
Huh, I see a murderer.
Negative 2 money. There's no more money.
We're so smart.
Yo, that. What's that? Yo, he looks the same. Shoot him.
Wait lang, bro.
Bro,
Pagod
shoot him already. He's not a maid, bro. He's not a maid. Shoot him already.
Wala siyang bunganga.
Nice. You are a
Bros.
Sigma. I dodged it. What's... I'm cleaning.
Clean there, boy.
Ikaw, there's a person. There's a sheriff. Don't shoot.
Sheriff.
Yo, there's a money.
Walter White,
Yo,
yo.
I made $1 money. I picked up $1.
Yeah.
Yo, just put it.
Son. Accept. No! Minus 16 money.
There's no cameras in this part, so...
No one knows that we shot them. Boom! Kakapasok ng boom. YouTube!
Get back. Oh, there's another guy.
Oh, that's your last warning, boy. Derek. Your name's not Derek!
Oh, don't move, don't move.
Oh,
Shoot him. Did you just let him in? $100.
ay, restart the power. Tara, tara.
Very not. Shoot
Ikaw nga, binabaril mo ako nun lang.
Bro, stay there, bro. I'm gonna set the big.
Haha.
Yo, head. Oh. It's right there. Boom! So miss.
Natakot ako sa'yo.
That's a $1. That's a $1 you like. My $1! Yo. Was an imposter. You didn't get. Everyone was an inhuman except that.
May criminal eh. Kailangan ko yung balir.
You killed everybody. Now it's only the two of us who live here.
Wait! Yan. Let me have the gun.
You bring up.
Hindi na kita babarilin.
What do you want to say? As your evening.
Oo, mali. Derek Brooks siya. Si Derek Brooks.
Ethan Cole yung pangalan.
From Germany. Origin mo, Origin. Bro! Give me the gun. Give me the...
Oops.
Give me the gun.
No.
Ako na mag-handle. Ikaw kasi eh.
Clean them.
Pag ginilin ko, bigyan mo sa akin pa rin.
No, bro. Look at the shop.
Oh, police yan. Police.
Sorry, what do you want?
Ang pangalan niya? Hindi, yun. Okay, baka kasi fake. You're lying. Ano yung duration? Few weeks, okay? Origin. Reason. Oh, okay, let him in. Bro. Give me the gun. You might kill him.
Yo, look, you can buy things like a blunderbuss. If you make it.
Then how did you buy landmine?
I got it from this thing, look, here. If you cleaned a lot of glue.
Green goo? Hey, yo!
You gotta do some more.
Then give me the gun.
No! You go inside first because you're the basic.
No, I'm not.
Bad. Keep it civil.
May ta...
Oh, shoot. Keep it civil. It's another guy's turn.
Perang baril.
No! I only give it to you for my $60.
Huh?
Did you show my real bro? Did you show my real? Tell me na.
That's real. Reason niya. Fashion design. Study job. Bro, that's really... Okay. Duration. 5 months. Okay, not lying.
This is job.
Origin. Bro, Origin. Huh?
Prostitute. Ano? Kapag naka-accept pa rin ang next
Wag. Imamap ko na lang siya. Ano na naman yun?
Yo, behind you, behind you. Yo, they go.
Oh! Kalbo! Kalbo siya. Black, black, black. Black yan. No. I'm gonna save you. Oy, me! Bro, stop.
What's he got?
Money.
Money versus gun. Hey, better get moving, bro.
Music box?
No. You want a blunderbuss because that's your gun.
After a few shots. Unti lang yung pang barrel. Few shots. Please let me borrow.
I'll let you borrow if I get blunderbuss.
Okay. Ah! Just let him inside. Wait, we need proof. We need proof first. Glasses, bro.
You say what his job?
What the fuck? Shoot him.
His job is a photographer.
Bro, joke lang, joke lang.
Bro, he laughed.
What's wrong with laughing?
Oh, yun yung black suit niya.
How to be a human, tama tayo. How to be human, no?
You're right.
Alright. Where's the money?
You better clean it.
I cleaned it, but there's...
Green. Oh, there's a woman. Oh my God.
Ooh, woman.
Stop this.
Who are you,
Oh,
bitch? Elana Park.
Oh, yo, you're kissing her.
What do you mean?
Sabi mo. Oh, you almost kissed the button.
Money! We need money, bro.